Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn on Google account two-step verification, secure. Open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to myaccount.google.com and sign in to your Google account. On the left menu, click Security. Scroll down to the section called Signing in to Google. Find two-step verification and click it. Click Get Started and confirm your password if Google asks. Read the short explanation and click Next. Choose your main verification method, starting with Google Prompts if it is available. If Google Prompts is suggested, select your sign-in phone and click Next. Check your phone for the prompt and tap Yes to approve. Back on the screen, click Turn On to enable two-step verification. If you do not see prompts, choose text message or voice call instead. Enter your phone number carefully and choose text message or voice call. Click Next to receive a verification code. Type the code you receive and click Next. Click Turn On to finish enabling two-step verification with your phone. Now add a backup method so you can sign in if you lose access to your phone. On the two-step verification page, find backup codes and click Setup. Click Get Backup Codes and download or print them, then store them safely offline. Next, set up an authenticator app for stronger security. On the same page, find Authenticator app and click Setup. Choose your phone type and click Next. Open Google Authenticator or another Authenticator app and tap Add. Scan the QR code shown on your screen with the Authenticator app. Enter the 6-digit code from the app and click Verify. Then add a security key if you have one for the highest protection. Go to Security Key, click Add Security Key, and follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, review your devices and recovery options in the security page to keep everything updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.